This is one of the best apartments down at Leighton Beach. Apartment 28 at 11 Leighton Beach Boulevard is perched on the top floor with these phenomenal ocean views from Rottnest all the way up the coast to Hillary's. The apartment itself has 3 enormous bedrooms, plenty of living space, and you are going to absolutely love living here in the huge volumes of space with incredible views. There is just so much room to move with over 220 square metres inside. You've got 4 balconies. Downstairs in the basement is space for 3 cars, all securely parked, plus an additional 14 square metre storeroom. One of my favourite things about this apartment is actually the orientation. It doesn't face due west like our neighbours down the road. We are facing northwest, and we have this big panel to the southwest here. What that gives you is this beautiful protected space that you can use all year round, and you get this beautiful winter, autumn and spring light without that direct harshness of the summer sun. This is the perfect opportunity to get your beachside apartment before Christmas. So give me a call, Nick Holt, to come and view apartment 28 at 11 Leighton Beach Boulevard.